Boys and girls, welcome to Greece. I'm just gonna give you a little tour around the place. That's all you're getting, I can't lie. Basically, I'm in Greece. I'm gonna be looking for Greece's national dish. I'm gonna be going to a restaurant, trying this national dish. Once I've done that, I'm gonna fly back to the UK and recreate this dish and try and see how well I've actually done. So, let's get straight into the video. After doing a bit of research, I've discovered that moussaka is actually Greece's national dish. So it's an eggplant or potato-based casserole dish that traditionally includes ground meat. That is what we're gonna be eating and creating. So for anyone that is a visual learner, here you go. I've drawn a little diagram of moussaka. That's how you apparently pronounce it. Illustrative purposes only. It's gonna look a lot better once we create it. So yeah, let's go. Bag. I'm gonna give you a little car tour.
B.O.B.
Alright guys, are you ready to see my car? Bro, little Fiat Panda. Yo, tell me why it looks like I have a side hustle in like kidnapping kids or some shit. It served me well, to be honest. It's done a very good job in maintaining my mental and physical stability, so I'll give it that. Our journey. Kids in the back, you got your seatbelts on? Bro, I'm literally in the middle of nowhere, right? There is no civilization but this place and that guy over there. Okay, I found a place that serves moussaka. And they've got like 4.6 stars in Google, right? So I'm hoping it's gonna be good. After hours of trekking to this restaurant for moussaka, they literally had the audacity to tell me that they had none left. So I had to take the next flight to Athens to find myself another restaurant. Final journey in the Panda. So finally, after landing in Athens, I was determined to find the best restaurant in Athens that served moussaka. After hours of searching, I finally found a place that served moussaka, and here it was in all its beauty. It served me beautiful food, and after trying it, I realized, wow, this is mad. Even though my reaction doesn't say it, that was the best food I had in a while. For the exceptional food and service that they delivered, I'd give it a solid 9.5 out of 10. Guys, we have spawned back into the UK. As you can see, sunny days. Basically now, we need to go to Tesco, accumulate our ingredients, and then we'll start with the dish making process. Hello?
No.
Hello. Alright guys, step one. I need to slice my vegetables. Hello. Bro, you picked the most disgusting looking. Bro, it's literally been through a pilgrimage and back, literally. Two-thirds of the aubergines have been successfully stripped of its virginity. We've already had a fatality, so unfortunately I cannot continue and my sister's gonna have to complete the rest of the journey. Are you able to do that?
What? Wait.
Oh, bro. Aubergines are 100% complete. Okay, next up, I need to cut my potatoes. Potatoes has been successfely castrated. Okay, so now basically I need to season this with salt and I need to wait for 30 minutes. As you can quite clearly see, the saltation process has been completed. And now it's time to fry our potatoes. All right, boys, we've just commenced sizzle. As you can see, little sizzle action, little healthy sizzlation going on here. This is exactly what we want to see. We don't want to overcrowd it too much because that would just result in it not cooking properly. Do you know what I mean? Nice little golden brown crustacean is coming along very nicely. I don't know how long I have to do this for, but I'm just gonna freestyle it. All right, guys, a question, yeah? Would you live off potatoes 1 year straight for £1 million? This is literally batch number 3, right? Tell me why it looks the exact same. We're on the last batch. As you can see, batch number 4 or 5. And that is the progress so far. All right, guys, I'm gonna cut this onion now because basically I just want to multitask.
Can I have a potato for compensation? Can I have this one? There's no way you're using that.
Bro, I'm using all of it. The dish is gonna have absolutely nothing in it. I don't want it to just be aubergine and that's it. Aubergine casserole and that's it. Like, bro, like, no. Lasagna, kind of.
You have to chew gum, I think.
Hey, you need that more than I do.
Hey.
Alright guys, onions completed. Alright guys, potatoes have been perfectly fried, but we actually started off with 100%, but now we are at 67% because of this person. She has consumed the potatoes. Okay guys, eggplants are now being fried. I've got a garlic here. I'm gonna cut this up and add it to the mixture. The scavenger is back. Bro, get your... No, put it back. Put it back. Bro, put it back. Put it back.
I touched
No, man, we're gonna have literally no potato.
This is the
Bro,
smallest one you have.
I don't care.
Allow
I don't
me.
care. Put it back. This is taking ages to cook, so I'm just gonna speed the process up. Multitask again. Garlic and onions. Alright guys, now it's time to add your meat. Alright guys, no more pinkness. It is fully brown like myself. And now we need 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm just gonna slap that in. 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, 260 grams of tomato paste. Now we need some beef broth. If you guys want the recipe to this, it is linked in the description. Basically, my bechamel sauce is almost done. I'm just gonna add parmesan. I don't know how to say that. Alright guys, after hours of hard work, we have finally made it to the assembly station. So first up is the potato. Now we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of bechamel sauce into here. Now we use half of the eggplants to cover this surface area. And now time for the main event, boys and girls. Time to slap some meat on. Eggplantation. Guys, mission has been completed. Listen, don't look at that. Don't look at the burnt bits, but trust me, it's gonna look nice when it's presented on a plate. How's the feastation? Bro, you look like a ravaged animal. You like it? What did you give it out of 10?
9 out of 10.
Where is the -1 point?
The white sauce is salty.
Oh yeah, I can't lie.
Really good.
I put a bit too much salt, but it's actually really nice. My boy is on seconds. All right, guys, as you can see, the meal was a huge success. I'm currently just finishing off editing, but huge thank you to everyone that watched the video through. I just want to say, if you liked it, click like. If you want to see more of this, click subscribe. And if you didn't like it, let me know in the comment. Let me know where I can improve, where I can do things better. Any feedback would be greatly appreciated. But yeah, goodbye.